Did you ever wish that you can play movies on your car's original infotainment system? Like this movie on Netflix? Or browse and play videos on YouTube? Play your favorite music on Spotify? Or even download tons of applications on Google Play Store? Browse and search through internet? Or load maps so you won't get lost on the road? So if you want to find out how, then watch this video. Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back again to my channel. So today, I received a full Android AI box and an Android Auto wireless adapter from Carlinkit. So we will be unboxing this today and connect it to my car, but I will be making a separate video for each devices. Okay guys, so the first one that we will be checking out is this Carlinkit full Android AI multimedia box. Okay guys, just so you know, this device is a full Android operating system which supports wireless Android Auto and a wireless Apple CarPlay as well. And not only that, you can also watch movies from YouTube, Netflix or Amazon Prime Video, and listen to your favorite music from Spotify and other music player apps. Okay, so let's go ahead and start unboxing this unit first. It's pretty small box actually, and it only shows that the unit is very handy, which makes this device very cool and portable. Okay, let's open this up. Okay, so what we got here is a user manual. It's printed in English and it's very simple and straightforward. And at the back, it's printed in Chinese. So right here is the full Android AI box with Android version 9. I can say it's very light with its sleek body. It has a very nice matte finish. So this also comes with two USB cables. One with both USB Type-C and the other one has USB Type-C and USB Type-A. So this device supports 4G LTE, which you can insert a nano SIM card. And it also supports external microSD card up to 128 gig of memory. Okay guys, so before I connect this device to my car, I will just give you some of its amazing features. This device is a 3-in-1 system, which means it has Android operating system, a wireless Apple CarPlay, and a wireless Android Auto. It has built-in 4 gig of memory and a 64 gig of storage. Okay, so we will be connecting this device into my car right here, which is the 2022 Nissan Pathfinder. Okay, so let's get into the car now. Now let's start the car. So this is my original car head unit right here. It's a 9-inch touchscreen, and this is how the user interface looks like. And we will be converting this into a full Android system by connecting this device via USB. Okay, now let's connect this device into my USB port, which is the USB Type-C. So I'm just gonna put this right here for now. Okay, so let's just wait for it to connect. And I'm just pressing the connection button right here. The name of the device is Autokit T-Box. Okay, so let's press the play button right here. And now it starts loading. So it's now loaded, and it actually looks like an Apple CarPlay interface. But as you know, it's an Android system, so you can actually customize and change to a different launcher or home screen. Okay, so before anything else, I'm just gonna hook this up to my personal hotspot. If you guys have extra nano SIM card with data plan, you can use that. Okay, so it's now connected to my hotspot. Now let's go back to the home screen. If you guys want to download your favorite apps and games, you just have to go to the Play Store. It has a floating button right here, so you can go back to your home screen. Now, if your car radio doesn't have YouTube, this time you can now watch or play videos in your car. It's so amazing, guys. Okay, so let's go back and try other apps. Okay, so now while waiting in your car, you can watch Netflix videos, which is very, very cool. But of course, don't watch while driving. Safety first, guys. So if you guys having a long drive or just driving around the city, you can listen to your favorite music on Spotify. You can actually download some music player like Amazon Music, Pandora, YouTube Music, or other music player. So on your device right here, you can view all your recent opened apps and close it by swiping the window to the left of the screen just like that. And you can also do split screen if you want your music player on the left side and your navigation maps or other apps on the other side of the screen. So one of the feature I like the most here is you can connect your iPhone to CarPlay wirelessly, even the device is an Android operating system. My car radio supports wireless Apple CarPlay too, but isn't it better if it's integrated to the Android platform as well? Connecting them both seamlessly into your car head unit. Now let's connect my iPhone to Apple CarPlay using the Autokit app that is pre-installed on the device. Okay, so let's tap this app right here. And now it's connecting to my iPhone. And there you go, guys. It's very fast. It's connected in just a few seconds. So as you can see, there's no cable connected to my iPhone. It's connected wirelessly and I don't have problem connecting at all. So if I want to go back to the previous Android home screen, I'm just gonna tap the car button. So it's gonna go back into this home screen. Once I tap that again, it will go back to the Apple CarPlay. Okay guys, so let's try connecting my Android phone to Android Auto. It's basically the same as the Apple CarPlay. I just need to tap the pre-installed Autokit app and it will be connected automatically to my Android phone. Okay, so I'm just gonna tap the Autokit once again. So as you can see here, it is now connected. I'm just gonna tap the continue button right here. And there you go. It's now connected to my Android phone wirelessly. Okay guys, so one more thing I like here is this device has built-in GPS. Let me just show you by opening the GPS test application. So if you notice on the screen, it can get or receive GPS signals. Okay, so let's try opening the Carwebguru launcher with this theme I made. This speedometer should work when I start driving. Okay guys, buckle up. Let's start driving right now. Okay, so as you can see, the digital speedometer on the screen is working. So that means the device is getting or receiving a GPS signals. Okay, so let's just drive around and let's see if the speedometer is accurate. Okay, so I'm just gonna stop right here and let's see if the speed goes down to 0. So yeah, so let's drive again. So as you can see here, my speed is increasing while stepping on the gas. So it's pretty accurate. Let's try the Waze map. So as I can see on the screen, I'm here on the right location. Okay, so please take note guys that you can use this Carlink full Android AI box as long as your car's OEM radio supports wired Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. which will actually make it wireless when you connect it into this device. Okay, so we're going back now. By the way guys, if you want to download this home screen theme using Carwebguru launcher, I put the link on my description below. Okay, so I'm just gonna park right here. So as you can see here, there's no problem with the backup camera using this device. Okay, so let me just tap the camera button and let's see if there will be a problem. Okay, so it's all good and works perfectly fine. So there you go guys. I hope you like this video. Thanks to Carlinkit for sending this device to me. If you guys want to buy or check the product out, please see the link on my description. And if you're decided to buy one, just use the code in the description to get a discount. That's pretty much it guys. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to this channel. Thank you for watching and I hope to see you again on my next video.